can see that my page monetization has been restored. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will guide you how to appeal monetization policy violation Facebook. Your page's monetization status is showing the error page with restricted monetization. This is the reason why the monetization tool that Facebook enabled for your page is suspended. Not only that, this is also the reason why the money you earned from the monetization tool provided by Facebook is not paid. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. You can see my page is having the error page with restricted monetization. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select Winner, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, a utility file and a file containing the text I have prepared for you will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your Facebook page link in the first box. Then enter your personal page link in the second box. In the third box, enter the BM ID that owns the page. If the page is not under BM, enter Facebook page owned by an individual. Note, you must be an administrator of BM. In step 4, paste the text I have prepared for you. No, edit according to your information. Finally, add a screenshot of your violation. Click Send. Now, wait for about 2 to 3 hours. Then go back to the monetization section, and you will see that the page's monetization has been restored. Note, if it doesn't work, try again after 1 to 2 hours. It will be successful. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. You can see that my page monetization has been restored. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to appeal monetization policy violation Facebook.